And here comes the part where I probably need to make a very public apology. Welcome to today's video, everybody. It's gonna be an exciting one. I just got word that the 32 is finished, so we're gonna go to the body shop and have a look at the 32. And I'm really excited because I can't wait to see that whole thing and that rear end back together and everything, ready for the next step. It still blows my mind where that car came from, what it looked like previously. I'm gonna throw a picture up here so you guys know. It's actually the thumbnail from a very viral video on the channel that a lot of you guys ended up joining and subscribing and jumping on the journey with us. So it's really cool to see that we were able to grab that car and fix it all up, and it turned out there was really nothing all that wrong with the chassis. In fact, it's probably one of the most rust-free chassis for the 32s that I've ever seen under in the underbody and seam seals and stuff. It's crazy clean. So anyways, let's go to the body shop and check out the 32. Unfortunately, today's weather kind of sucks. It's not all happiness and sunshine that I would expect for such a hyped video, because we get to see that the bodywork's all finished on the Skyline. But still, nonetheless, I'm excited. Khan, are you excited to see the Skyline done?
I'm happy.
You're happy? All right, cool. It's pretty crazy, right? Because you know where that car came from.
Yeah.
You saw where that got dug out of. The fact that there's pretty much no rust under the shell and it's straight and we got it all fixed up.
It was used for parts, that's just it.
Right? Everything got stolen off it. It was expected to be scrap metal, expected to go to the recycle place. So I'm glad we saved it. We'll be there in a little bit. I love the roads in Japan because you're driving on the most narrowest little streets ever, and then you're above a freaking highway somehow, randomly. Man, there's so many little tiny roads like this that even my K-van can struggle to get down. It's crazy, it's ridiculous. Another perfect example. This is two ways, guys. This is two ways, both directions. What? Looks like that's the Skyline back together on the back of the truck. Whew. What we do on the channel, it costs a lot of money. From building cars to drifting and all the expenses associated with that, it all starts to add up very, very quickly. And for that reason, I'm always really grateful to the companies that we partner with and those that choose to sponsor our videos. It really helps us out financially, and today's video is proudly sponsored by Gamer Subs. They are the healthiest, the tastiest, and the cheapest energy drink that you can get on the market. It's a powder-based form. You throw it in with some water. We're about to make some in a little bit. In fact, they even have waifu cups, guys. So I don't know, that's even more relevant to our channel, Japanese wives. But anyways, go check out their website. I have a link down in the description. If you use my code SAMMIT, you get free samples, 100% free. Free shipping, everything. These things will arrive at your door for free. Go get yourself some free samples. Once they run out, then you'll be able to still use my code for 10% off. So if you get the samples, you love it just like I did, and you want to order some for yourself, and trust me, the flavors that they have are incredible. Fill this thing up with some water, and you just shake it. It's so good. Tastes like real mangoes. Like it's a mango party in my mouth. I heard that even Content Master 64 likes Gamer Subs. Guys, I don't really know what else to say. I love this product. You guys who watch my Twitch streams, you know that I've been testing this since January. Absolutely love the product. Even Khan's had some and he loves it. Everyone that I've given this to loves it. Everyone that, seriously, the energy that this gives you is way better than anything that I get out of a can, to be honest. Don't forget to get those free samples, guys. Link is down in the description. Use my coupon code SAMMIT. And if for some reason you missed out, well, that's fine. You still get that 10% off as well with the code. So guys, enjoy. Thank you, Gamer Subs, for sponsoring today's video. If I seem a little bit more cracked than usual, it's because of Gamer Subs. So thank you, Gamer Subs, for giving me all the energy that I need to do what I do. Guys, look how good this looks. Oh my gosh, the brand new back panel, the special lights we got. It looks amazing. So they had to make a whole new section because the 4-door quarters were cut out here to fit the 2-door tail lamps. And this is what we were saying, the quarters and the 4 doors are entirely different to the coupe. So the previous owner chopped all this out and he had to make something from scratch for it to work. So he made his own custom piece, just like OEM, to go in there. Man, that looks so good. Dude, that's perfect. Wow. Man, these guys do good work. So glad we found them. Sugoi. Yeah, so you can see how that all lines up well there. Perfect. And this is a brand new trunk as well. I found this on Yahoo Auctions actually. It was from a GTE, so I believe that would have been the non-turbo version. But this one is a 4-door one. As you can see, the groove here for fitting the headlights is entirely different and lines up there really nice. They do have a little bit more work to get done. They've just got to go over and primer and seam seal everything up. Unfortunately, the weather's really crap today. So they are gonna have to go over everything again with some sandpaper and just sand all any surface rust that forms over it. And as you can see, a lot of water's coming here because we haven't gotten the seam sealer yet on any of the joints from the new back panel. So that really sucks, but you can't control the weather. And these guys had to work on another customer's car in the meantime. So this thing's gonna get all finished up in the next couple days, I'd say next week. And then we then just gotta wait for it to go to the body shop. Well, we gotta wait for the aero kit to arrive, which I can't wait to show you what's going on this car. It's gonna look sick. And then this will go to the body shop and all the work will get done. It'll come back completely painted, ready for us to fill out everything in the interior, get all the new pieces and stuff from the other show we got, just to fill in everything. There's the old trunk there. But yeah, we need a dashboard, we need everything. Body loom, there's a lot of work to be done on the interior of this. And then we're good to go. I'm really excited. This is all coming together really nice. It's gonna turn out really good. Guys, look how good this rear end looks. Oh, I'm so glad I spent the extra money to get the final, like, I don't even think these were Koki's. I don't know, if you guys know 4-doors, I'm still, like, I don't know anything about 4-doors. In fact, I probably need to have a conversation with you guys after this clip about 4-doors, but these tail lamps were like the last revision that they made for them, for the 32 4-door. And they look the best, in my opinion. So I'm really glad I spent the extra money for these. These were very hard to find, and anyone who had them wanted crazy money. I don't know why I did it, because ultimately I'll be drifting this, and I hope I don't wall tap, but if it happens, it happens. It's drifting. You know, I'm sure we'll be able to find another set at some point, but they are expensive. But I wanted to make sure that we're building a 4-door, it has to look the best. And these are the best looking ones because, I don't know, they just look epic, all right? Just bear with me, okay? I don't have a reason why. They looked good, all right? They look better out of the Zenki and the Koki ones. But I think these were the 3rd revision, but please correct me if I'm wrong. I'm still learning, like I said, guys. All of this is gonna get cut out and seam sealed and done properly as well when it goes to paint. These guys are just doing the all the body work and stuff like that. These guys are pros at panel switching and swapping. The place where we're gonna go visit my friend Mikey. He's gonna be doing a really good job on the paint because we're doing a very special paint job on this. Very like 2000s kind of drifting style, so get excited for that. And here comes the part where I probably need to make a very public apology. A long time ago, I said, and I said it as a joke, as a meme, but I was kind of serious because personally I love the coupes and the 2-doors the most. But I said something that everyone holds above my head, and that was that 4-doors are not real Skylines and they don't count.
Shut the f up, Sam.
Well, you know what? There's one thing that I've learned growing up, and that is we all make mistakes. And we're gonna put that in the mistake category because this thing looks damn fine and I'm gonna make it the most real Skyline you've ever seen out of a 4-door. So I take it back. I'm sorry. Every single one of you that unsubbed because I said 4-doors aren't real Skylines, please welcome back. Welcome back into the family, all right? I love you all. Hit that button, hit that like button. Write us a comment. Tell me how much I pissed you off with that. You know what? Like I said, we all make mistakes, we all learn and grow. I'm sure you made them too, and I take it back. 4-doors are real Skylines. We're gonna make this thing look amazing. We're gonna make it, I mean, it already looks amazing. The rear end looks just perfect. This is a work of art in my opinion. This is a work of art. But yeah, hope you guys are excited. More 4-door content coming. What do they say? 4-doors, more hot. What is this thing, man? This looks perfect. I've been looking for something to do some rally stuff at Ebisu.
Hey, stop it right there. No, it's not for sale.
Oh, hi Rohab, how are you? Hey, where you been?
This is my barn find.
This is your barn find?
You keep yours, I'll keep mine.
I got my barn find up there. It's looking better than this.
Well, this thing was sitting in a barn for about 11 years, I think.
11 years.
It's only got 60,000 kilometers. I couldn't find the original owner, and well, when I picked up the car, and then 2 days later they said they found the owner, and then we got the documents.
Oh my gosh, shut up.
Look at it inside.
Hang on.
Yeah, it's really nice.
I mean, probably the reason why it was left in a barn was because it blew a head gasket, am I right?
No, engine's perfectly fine. We changed the fuel.
This has literally been sitting for so long.
We changed fuel, oils, and everything, and then started up. It's perfectly fine. Yeah, we got to get rid of this old Japanese tech.
This is I'm not gonna, that nearly touched the positive. I was like, whoa. This is like the biggest scam that ever went. I mean, don't get me wrong, earthing and grounding your engine properly is good, but selling that and saying it gives your engine like 50 more horsepower is a scam in my opinion. Japanese companies were doing some weird stuff back there, man. This thing's insane, it's cool.
Version 6.
What? Guys, the interior looks so good. Just the paint's been destroyed because it sat so long.
Yeah,
the wing!
I'm having...
I always wanted a GC8 like this.
Yeah.
Rohab,
Yeah.
we gotta talk.
No.
We gotta talk.
No.
Rohabi. I wouldn't even say, like, no, I'm joking. Okay.
Let me get you another one.
All right.
Like,
This just looks so cool.
I know.
The factory color, I mean, it's gonna need repainting, but still.
Yeah.
Dude, I've been really getting into Subarus. I love this wing so much.
I was thinking about getting one for myself from Minami.
From Minami?
Yeah.
Let's do it together. Because then we can do snow there. I can talk to Kubo and he'll probably let us, like, just hit it in the snow. Subscribe.
I mean, next auction day we're getting a bunch of Subarus.
Maybe. Subscribe, guys. Maybe next auction day? Nah, man, you know I'm poor right now. We drained all my bank accounts on another car purchase.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Oh, you haven't told them yet?
No, they don't know about that.
Let them know?
No, you can't. You can't let them know.
Oh, okay.
Anyways, this is cool. So if any of you guys are in the market for a really nice GC8 with low mileage, genuine SDI, the big baller wing, this will be ready soon.
Yeah, this will
And you
be
can hit
ready
up my
next
boy
week and a
Rohab.
half. Yeah.
And you can tell him that you found him because of me, and then he'll give me a good cut, which then means we can then go buy Subarus and jump Minami together. Deal.
Yeah.
Shake on it. I don't do left-hand handshakes, so this is a little.
Yeah. All right. This is a me and you kind of thing.
I don't even know what's happening right now. This is turning into a disaster. Anyways, Mark II's here. There's a bunch of other cool cars and stuff, but yeah. Anyways.
Oh, you remember that car over there?
What car? Rohab has stuff to show us.
You crashed into?
The car I crashed into? You mean the car that your now wife spun out in front of me with?
Well, she was parked.
And sabotaged?
You came from?
Destroyed my car? No, it was fine. It's 100% my fault.
In the middle of the course.
I mean, I've already fixed my car like 3 times and crashed it again, so.
Yeah, it's just been sitting. I'll put a 1J in it this time.
1J in this one?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
And then
Like the sound of that.
as a practice car.
Yeah? Nice.
Yeah, it should be right.
Dude, man, look, I need one of these. Hey, I need like just a Beta S15 to practice with.
Yeah.
No, like for real, you need this at EBC though, because like, you gotta stop taking the nice car there, you know?
I know.
It's only a matter of time before something goes wrong or breaks and you end up in a wall and wreck the whole chassis.
That is true.
That's gonna suck.
Like last time, what almost happened?
Yeah, at Minami,
Concrete
luckily
wall.
you know what you're doing.
Oh.
That could have been real bad.
Yeah.
Dude, can I just do a quick shout out to my boy Khan? He's just been following me around with the umbrella like a pro. Need to give this guy a pay rise. Yo! It's Emi-chan and Tomoya running into them on the way to Big Bang. So cool. You gotta show me your tandem skills, alright? Alright? This guy is like boasting just before saying how good of a drifter he is here. Let's go see what's up. This is gonna be fun. The guys have switched it up for some tandems now. Look. So cool. Go, 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 you lead. What are you doing? What are you doing? a much bigger motor. So big that they need the downforce in the wing. They look insane. Well, Big Bang is always a good time. I had a lot of fun. Did you have fun, Khan?
A lot of fun.
A lot of fun, right? Yeah, Big Bang is really, really good for literally practicing tandems and also like wet driving technique. It's so good. I'm gonna come here a lot more, drive a lot more, because it's just so much fun. As long as you get on a cart that's set up well. Some of those carts are so broken and messed up that, yeah, we all have our favorite carts that we're used to and good at driving on. Anyways, I gotta drive home. We'll pick it up when we get there. I'm back home now, and I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Seriously, such a good time, good vibes. We got to see the Skyline, we got to see the progress of the work. The guys still, like I said, have to do a little bit more with sealing and primer, well, primer then sealing. So all of that is all good to go so that we can, I'm hoping that the body kit will be finished roughly by the end of this month. I'm hoping that we'll be able to drop that off to Mike and he can start working on it and getting everything sorted. We've got the bonnet, we've got the over fenders, we're just waiting on the 2 bumpers and the side skirts, and potentially a wing as well. I'm just not sure what I want to do with the wing, and we may decide about that later. We may just take the OEM wing off for now and fill it in just so like it's flat on the rear. But let me know if there's any particular wing that you guys think looks really, really good on a 32. Please let me know. I know though it is going to be kind of hard until we have the whole aero kit on there to really know what wing's going to look good on there. So that's also why I kind of want to wait till that's all fitted and painted, and then, you know, we can add a wing later. That's not a big deal, but let me know what you guys think. And once again, obviously 4-door Skylines are still Skylines and real Skylines. Yeah, I don't know what to say, but we all grow up and we all realize that we made mistakes when we were younger. That's all I'm gonna say. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Once again, I had a really good time, and I will see you all in the next one. Smash that like button, write a comment, and subscribe. Check me out on the Twitch channel. Doing lives there frequently now, a lot of IRLs exploring Japan and Tokyo, and I know a lot of you guys are in there already enjoying it. So if you haven't already, go check it out. Just search Dammit SAMMIT on Twitch and you'll find me. Catch you in the next one, guys. Peace out. Jamata.